tough situation right now, everybody. Willow wants to introduce herself to Precious, but look at that. But Precious is being a bitch. She wants to kill that dog. I was about to feed him, and it came into a heated argument. Girl. My ugly face. Alright, I haven't gotten that. Hey! Bad! Do not hurt dog. I've never heard her make such noises. I'm squeezing her arms. Social distance! 6 feet apart. I'm kidding. I'm squeezing both her arms. I kind of got my ring and pinky finger and my thumb and my pointing finger around her arms. I'm just squeezing so tight. You can. When her ears are flat like that, she's pissed. Oh, poor Willow. Huh? Oh. Here, I'll put you, stand y'all up. At least turn the camera up like that. Here's how I'm holding her. Hey! No! 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 You be a nice little girl. You be Precious, okay? Alright, this isn't gonna work, y'all. This is what happens when they're in the same room. And this is why I have to take Willow everywhere I go, or Precious everywhere I go. Oh. Oh, it's okay. You got me. I'm your favorite person, right? This is how they talk. Okay. Will you run away? Go. Go away. I think Precious is scared. So this is Willow, everybody. You all met Precious, haven't you? Precious has gotten bigger. She's about 8 months old, and Willow is about 2 years old. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. It was in my mother's room having a heated argument. Alright.